Now you notice that going along, we've created a lot of bars. They're not exactly perfect, and that's great. We want to mass out a lot of stuff all at once, but now we need to go and exert fine control on this. So these little areas that need to be updated, it doesn't take a whole lot of effort for us to go and do that. So now I'm going to first stretch these bars back over here, and you can see it's as simple as using my stretch command. I can use this on any part of my model, any part of my reinforcement, any 2D work that I may have, and you can see that updates as well in real time for us. Over here at the end, oh, and actually let me undo this change. First, I'm going to adjust this bar on the left side real quick. I'm going to come over here to the mark, and I see that I have an angle of 110, so I'm just going to invert this. So it's added 20 degrees, so I'm just going to subtract off and make it 70. Oh, and I need to do a new mark number for that. So I'll right click on my bar, say new mark number. It's given it a different color, indicating that it's a different mark. And so now I can go and make that change to just that one bar. So that's nice when you're working on a mark, you're able to affect that mark everywhere. And if you need to make it one-off or just a different situation, then you can easily, as you saw here, make that change. All right, so now I'll just go ahead and stretch this bar back, and I'll take it to the edge here and then just do a delta offset of -2 inches or 2 inches. Oops, at that point.
And keep in mind, as Frank does all this, that the tools are intended to very quickly mass out bar that's almost right, and then we allow that manual control to refine the process. There are, let's call them, better ways of doing a lot of this than what Frank's showing, but Frank's trying to show that manual control aspect. We aren't stuck with whatever the computer gives us. We're able to go back and make changes as we need. Though again, I insist that stretching this bar is not how this would be done.
Yeah, exactly. Something you may not do, but it shows a really good example of how you can easily go and make all those changes, stretch all these bars, make all these adjustments that we need to. And this whole time, of course, if we look over at our schedule here, oops, place that down again. We can see that it's keeping track of all our bars, keeping tabs on them. Even the ones that have variations along it, we can see that it's adjusting those lengths for us automatically.